Isang 21-year-old student sa Pampanga kumikita ng 5 to 6 digits a month sa pagtatanim ng gulay sa likod bahay. At paano ang isang Pinoy OFW family sa Middle East ay hindi na bumibili ng gulay sa nakalipas na 5 taon? Marahil ay nagtataka ka. At sure akong yan din ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan mong tapusin ang video na to. Para matutunan mo ang isang skill na pandemic-proof at maaaring makapagbigay sa pamilya mo ng isang legit na business idea. So, let's dive deeper. Hi, my name is Tito Mike of Vegetable Gardening and More, wherein I try to encourage people to grow their own food wherever they may be in the planet. My family and I are currently in Qatar, producing our own food sa rooftop ng aming bahay. Yes, you heard it right. In a country where what you would normally see is lots of camels at malawak na disyerto. Ito nga pala si Harold Zapata, isang estudyante sa Pampanga na ngayon ay graduate na at patuloy na kumikita sa pagtitinda ng tanim niyang lettuce sa pamamagitan ng hydroponics. Nakabili na siya ng sarili niyang delivery van at nakapagpundar na rin ng malalawak na lupain dahil sa hydroponics. Now, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang hydroponics ay ang method ng pagtatanim na hindi ginagamitan ng lupa. Pwedeng-pwede mo itong gawin kahit na wala kang malawak na space na pagtataniman, tulad ng terrace, balcony o kaya ang rooftop nyo. And yes, pwede rin ito sa loob ng inyong bahay. I'm sure ay kilala mo rin si Josh Mojica. Yumaman dahil sa business niyang Kangkong Chips Original. Sobrang daming pera at nabibili niya ang lahat ng gusto niya. Ang malaking challenge lang ni Josh ay ang sourcing ng raw materials niyang kangkong leaves. Dahil ay madalas mayroong siyang shortage ng supply nito. Truth is, kaya pang ma-10x ni Josh Mojica ang business niya kung matututunan niya ang hydroponics. Wherein, siya na rin ang magpoproduce ng sarili niyang kangkong leaves. The bad news is, not everyone knows how to start, no matter how much they are interested in this method of farming. And this is where I would come in. My name is Michael Forcado and I am a certified public accountant. Yet, my passion is gardening and content creation. I am an expert in hydroponics and I have been doing this for 7 years now. Our work has been featured in some of the most prestigious magazines in and out of the country. Also, for the last 5 years, I have been doing content creation or vlogging as my side hustle. Now, if you are a business owner related to the food industry, or you want to learn hydroponics, or you simply just would like to have a good and lucrative niche for your content creation, this is for you. So, sinabi ko kanina yung good news. And the bad news is, not everybody knows where to begin. I'm glad to say that I'm available to help you with that. I'm exclusively inviting you to my hydroponics webinar and it's gonna happen on July 27, 2024, which is a Saturday.
Anong petsa? Anong oras?
From 9 a.m. up to 4 p.m. And yes, one whole day ako magbibigay ng value sa inyo. If nakapasok ka sa first 10 participants, then this is absolutely free. This webinar will teach you not just hydroponics, but also sustainable gardening techniques like vertical gardening, composting, container gardening, and making your DIY homemade pesticides na super effective sa mga peste tulad ng mga laging nangungutang sa iyo. Joke lang. But wait, there's more. Matututunan mo rin ang mga simple techniques sa pagva-vlog while documenting the progress of your work. Yes! You can be the next big gardening vlogger. Gaya ko na meron ng almost 1 million combined followers on Facebook and on YouTube. And yes, alam mo ba na meron ding income sa pagbablog? Another good news is that I can guide you in your vlogging and content creation journey. Doon sa second part ng ating webinar in the afternoon. So, what are you waiting for? Register now on the link below. See ya!